Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use translator in a Microsoft Word document. Friends, while dealing with Word document, quite often we feel that we are unable to understand what is written in this document, and we often wish that this document were written in our native language. Now Microsoft Word helps us in this regard, and we can use this Microsoft Word online translator. So here I have some text, dummy text in fact, and here you can see this review icon here, review tab. So go to this review tab, okay. Initially we will be somewhere here, home. This is insert, row, layout, reference, mailing, review. Now in the review tab, there is this translate. So either you can translate the selected text or you can translate the entire document. I'll show you both. So first of all, we select a portion of text. Say I select from here to make our this thing. Say I select or maybe this much. Whatever I select, it will be there. And then we go to this translate and translate selection. Then you will see it will come up here. Now let us make this screen little bit bigger like this so that you can read it, and for the time being I can reduce this ribbon also. So I have selected this. Now this is in German language, but there are so many other languages. So I start with maybe Hindi. So let us click Hindi, and you see that this text, this selected text which is written here is translated here. And as you move your mouse along these, you can see the corresponding word is reflected out here, okay, with its all the other meanings and everything, okay. So it is written in Hindi. So now if we remove this selection, say I select another piece of text, so I select this much, then this is automatically taken up here, the new piece of text. See, to change the way a picture, to change the way a picture. So it is translated in Hindi like this, okay. Then suppose if you want to use another language, say use where is it, Bangla, Bengali or Bangla, whatever you say. So Bengali people can read this. So this is written in Bengali, and then you can have, say, Tamil, Telugu. I don't know Tamil, but I hope it is written in Tamil. Tamil speaking people can understand this, okay. And there are some foreign languages also. German you have already seen. So many other languages are there, okay. So French language is also there, okay. So whatever text you select here, it will be translated. So you select this person, okay. Just select, don't have to do anything. Automatically it is translated, okay. So maybe this is Assamese language, okay. Then okay, so come back to Hindi once again. So you can read this Hindi language, and as you move your mouse, here, then corresponding Hindi word is, so look at here. If I move my mouse here, the corresponding Hindi word is highlighted below. Okay, and its meaning also comes here. You can see this portion. Okay, and here also you can see all the meanings are coming here. Okay, so this is all about selecting a piece of text and then getting it translated using translator. So we close it, and now let us go to review again and translate the entire document. So we just translate the entire document. Okay, so it is written in Bangla, but let me do it in Hindi because most of the Indian people speak Hindi. You can use any other language also, and then uh, uh, create a translated copy of this document. Okay, so now translate. Just click translate. So you see the entire document has been translated in Hindi. Okay, so entire document has been translated in Hindi. Okay, and all right. Then you can save it. If you want to save it, you can save it also. Just click here, it will be saved. Okay, where you want to uh, save it. So choose a location. I select my this location only and save it. So I have saved it here. So let me close it. So this is my original thing, and you can see this page was like this, but when I translated, everything got translated in Hindi. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.